Christina from George Memorial Library.
So today we're going to do a quick overview of PowerPoint presentation, which is a Microsoft program that allows you to create a PowerPoint slide presentation. So when you first open PowerPoint, you'll immediately see a blank template like so. In the middle will be the slide where you can edit your content. To the left will be thumbnails that represent a preview of the slides that you are making, so you can see really quick what your presentation overall looks like. At the very top, we have the menu, and if you click on the different tabs, you get your different menu ribbons at the bottom to give you a more customized and more dynamic presentation. Then, if we wanted to make a quick slide presentation, let's just say we wanted to do a presentation on cats, we might title our presentation, "I Like Cats." And then in the subtitle, we'll say, "By Christina," or whoever the author is. Of course, these are suggested text boxes. You don't have to follow exactly what they say, but in general, a presentation will have a cover title and a cover slide first. Then you come over to the thumbnails menu, click once on it to highlight the thumbnail, and then press the Enter key on your keyboard to go to the next slide. And you can press the Enter key several times to create several blank slides. Now, make sure that you are editing the right slide by clicking on the slide that you want to edit. In this case, slide number 2. And like before, it will suggest a title box and a text box. Now, since our presentation is about cats, let's ask, why are cats awesome? And we'll say something like in bullet points, cats are furry. Cats are cuddly. Cats are so cute. And these are in bullet points because for the most part, a PowerPoint presentation is not meant to store your entire speech on it, but it is there to kind of enhance your presentation instead. So that's slide number 2. Slide number 3, maybe we'll insert a picture of a kitten to emphasize our point, like we said before. And let's choose this one. This one's cute. And we stick it in there, and as you can see in the thumbnail previews, it's showing exactly what your slide will look like. And then on slide number 4, it's the conclusion of our presentation. So we'll put the end. Now, right now, our presentation is a bit plain, so come up to Design, and you can hover over the different templates that have different designs that are very exciting. So let's say I like this one, so I click on it. And if I look over at the thumbnails, this is what it looks like in the end. Then, now we come to the day of your presentation. So what you'll do is you'll hook up your laptop either to a projector, or you can just show your presentation off of your laptop. And then to present it, you will go up to Slideshow and then play from the beginning. It's a button to the far left. And voila, it is going to full screen your presentation. You will use your arrow keys to flip through the different slides. Even shows you the picture until you get to the end. And then it shows a blank screen when you get to the end of your presentation. So if you liked this presentation and you want to see more about our computer classes or our crafts or learn a new language or see what different content we have at Fort Bend Public Libraries, please go to www.fortbend.lib.tx.us/events for more information.